Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do some acrylic nails, and those who are new, a heartiest welcome to you all, and please do subscribe. Please consider subscribing if you like the video, and please give a like if you again like the video. So in today's video I'm going to use this is Morovan's liquid monomer. It is written EMA. I got this from Amazon.in. So I'm going to test this monomer, and then I have the 3 strokes acrylic powder in pink. Well, I'll show you the color. I think it's natural pink. We are going to use it, so it's better if I keep it open. And then I will be painting on my nails with some gel polishes, which you are going to get it from Shields, and a shiny top coat. So let us begin. I have already applied the nail tips, and I have applied, you can see it's shiny here because I have applied peel off base coat, because I'm going to pop off these nails once I finish the video. But if you want to keep the nails, then first give some scratches on the nail bed, then use let me show you what you are going to use: a dehydrator, then a primer, then you go for the application of your nails. So let's begin. I am taking Shields number 12 Kolinsky brush. Let me try out with this. If I feel that this brush is not working properly, then I will take my old crusty you can say a very old brush which I got from AliExpress. It is 12 cats. Cats brushes are really very good. So before I let me tell you something. I will do this nail in real time, and the other nails I will be doing in I will fast forward these nails. Okay, then you can understand, because the first nail I'm doing on the real time, then when I'll apply the colors, that time again I'll be doing in real time. So to start, first immerse your brush properly, let it get saturated, all the bubbles should come out. So my brush is fully saturated, and see, I am wiping from this side and will take the powder from the other side this way. Then we'll start from the tip of the nail. Use as many as beads you want. It's not that in one bead only you have to do the full application. It's up to you how many beads you are comfortable with, you use that. And always wipe your brush once you finish the application. When you take the cuticle bead, be very precise with the bead. Place it just before the cuticle area and then pat it inside. Then you can get a very good cuticle application. Then you pull down. Now see, there is a dent here. Can you see? There is a dent here, which I am going to apply some more powder and will complete the nail. Now see, there are no dents. So this way I will do all the other nails. So my nails are done. Now I am going to file, shape and buff it before applying the color, I mean the gel paints. So how you will clean your brush, just wriggle it inside the monomer and wipe it on your towel. I mean the tissue paper or the kitchen towel which you are taking, wipe it there and see whether there are any more acrylic or not. If there is, then dip it inside the monomer and leave it for 5 minutes. Now to say about this monomer and the acrylic color, the acrylic and monomer together worked very well. You saw how fast I completed the nails. So this is really a very good acrylic and a very good monomer. If you want to buy, I will give the link in the description. It is from Amazon in, not amazon.com. It is from amazon.in. So my nails are filed, buffed and I washed my hand so that there are no dust. Now I am going to paint these nails. For that I am taking this color for these two fingers and I'll be applying this color for the rest of my fingers. So let's start. I have to take a gel brush. So I will take this color. I will just give it a swirl. And will apply on the nails. Always apply in in thin coats and apply 2 layers, if required 3 coats, but never apply thick coats for your with your gel polish, otherwise it won't cure properly and it will wrinkle. So I am applying thin layers. out this for 60 seconds. Second coat, I will fast forward this. Now I will take some isopropyl alcohol and will wipe the sticky layers. Now I am going to do some some nail art, but I won't paint anything. I will use stickers. So these stickers I got from Amazon. So there are 3 types of stickers you can see. Let's see what goes with what. So pretty. So in these two I'm not going to put anything else. So this is the result. Now I will be applying a shiny top coat from Shields to secure my design color and the stickers that I have applied. So after taking out the nails from the lamp, I applied cuticle oil, and now see how lovely it's looking. The colors are popping so much. I never thought that the stickers are going to pop so much, but it did. It did really worked. And the whole of Amazon, everything what I've used here, other than the brush, acrylic brush, everything is available in Amazon. But you can get these everything from Shields. So I will give that link in the description. And hope you liked it. Those who are new, again I request you to subscribe my channel. You will see many of such tutorials. and see you again in the next video. Till then, tata, cholo abar dekha hobe.